All it takes to build a fantastic portfolio is a few well-calculated bets. You don't need 1,000 trades. You don't need to be out here day trading on 1-minute charts. Warren Buffett said it best. You want to win in the invested game? You need to understand patience. 1, you need to focus on the people driving the project forward. Think about this. Would you invest in a startup run by someone with no track record just because their idea sounds cool? Probably not. The same logic applies to crypto. Behind every project, there is a team or sometimes just one person responsible for turning ideas into reality. For example, let's say you are looking at a platform that claims to revolutionize payments. Have you checked who's behind it? Are they experienced in tech and finance, or is it a first-time team with no proven results? Betting on strong, capable leaders, builders who have demonstrated they can deliver is like laying a foundation for your investment. So ask yourself, are you betting on a hype, or are you betting on the people who can carry the project forward? 2. You need to bet on narratives and trends. You don't want to be out there in a place that has no attention and no liquidity. So that's the first part. The second part is understanding where a certain project is in their cycle. Are they in their inception stage? Are they in the area where it's just getting built? Are they already listed on Binance, which tends to signal a top or tends to signal an area of less opportunity? In crypto, venture capitalists invest early and receive tokens, not equity. These tokens are often locked, meaning they can't be sold immediately. Once a project gets a major exchange listing, these tokens unlock and early investors often sell for profit, causing the price to drop sharply. Think about it. Are you buying into a project at the same time big players might be cashing out? Understanding token unlocks and venture cycles is crucial to avoiding costly mistakes. And the goal is to not get wrecked. You need to be as far right, as close to the builders as possible, as early on as the stage as possible, and betting on those individuals. I very rarely will go out and place a token allocation on something that's already listed on CoinMarketCap, popular sites showing crypto stats. Why? Because it's probably not at its inception stage. The risk is a lot higher, and with crypto, your portfolio can get nuked 50% in 2 days. So my objective is I need to find low risk, high reward opportunities, which means low market cap, quality terms, and teams that are building upon a strong narrative and a strong trend that will inject liquidity in order for my portfolio to continue to perform well. Also, most people, they are out here buying when everybody else is buying. They are out here buying in the bull market. They are out here buying when the taxi driver is checking his crypto while he's driving, as opposed to buying when the blood is out. Buying when the candles are green and pumped, and buying out the FOMO tends to be a recipe for a disaster. Warren Buffett said it best, but he talked about it in the stock market. I think it applies to investing in general, the concept of investing. If you want to win the investment game, you need to understand patience, because wealth is usually transferred from the impatient to the patient. And if you build with long-term people, then there is a high probability of success. That's why the people that get wrecked usually sit down and you ask them, what do you have in your portfolio? What do you know about this token? What's the utility behind it? Oh, there's something that's worth $300 million market cap. Well, how much revenue do they generate? 5 grand. That seems like a price discrepancy right there between the market cap and the actual value proposition of the project. So I think these are a couple of things that people need to be looking at and understanding that the markets will be here forever. They're not going anywhere. There is always more opportunity. You don't have to chase opportunity. You need to attract opportunity by positioning yourself in the right rooms. Last part with that is, all it takes to build a fantastic portfolio is a few well-calculated bets. You don't need 1,000 trades. You don't need to be out here day trading on 1-minute charts. You're going to get wrecked. You're up against algorithms, quants, and market makers, people who control order books and see the flow of trades. It's a dangerous game to play. So I prefer to make a few big calculated bets with winning teams and builders I trust. That's when you want to find the winning teams and the people that have a long-term vision and rally behind them, sticking behind them and empowering them to move forward. Here is what makes crypto so unique. You can actually connect with the people building the projects, unlike traditional investing where founders often feel out of reach. Here you can jump into Discord, join a community and talk to them directly. You can ask questions, understand their vision and see if they are genuinely passionate about what you are building. And if you want to start from something for free, check the link in the description. In this free channel, you will find everyday news, analysis, market insights, and even more. This is all we wished for at the beginning, so if you want to save time, check the link. This kind of access is rare, and it's an incredible opportunity if you take advantage of it. So get involved, learn from the people shaping the space, and make smarter decisions. That's how you set yourself up to win. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and share with your friend or relative who is interested in that topic. So don't forget, Michael is always with you. Share the link, click it, and bye.